What's up guys? Welcome back to our show, Toy Friendly Unbox, where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. And ngayon, ang bubuksan natin, ito 1/6 scale Sea-King Aquaman. So Sea-King Aquaman by Art Toys. So marami na silang nagawa na toys, no? Third party to. May nagawa silang Superman, Batman, and a whole bunch of other superheroes. And sobrang ganda ng quality nila. May nagsabi nga hot toy scaler daw to eh. By Art Toys. So ito yung bubuksan natin, very sealed pa, brown box as you can see. Before anything else, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and as always, please do visit our Facebook store, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly, and dun pa rin sa Shopee store natin. Punta kayo, maraming deals doon and discounts, marami kayo makikitang goodies doon sa shopee.ph/toyfriendly. And without any further ado, here we go.
I was just a shadow in the crowd, lost in the noise, barely making a sound. Then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free.
Guys, ito nga, naka-brown box pa, mint in brown box, and sealed siya. So, buksan natin kaagad para makita na natin itsura. So, ito yung version ni Aquaman na si Jason Momoa. Sabihin ko na, naglabas na rin sila dati ng isang version nito. Ito naman yung sa, if I'm not mistaken, yung sa second Aquaman movie, yung Lost Kingdom ba yun? And yun, tignan muna natin ito. Sobrang bigat din ito, parang nasa 10 kilos more or less. Yun. Super premium, sealed na sealed, as you can see. Parang ayokong buksan. Pero ito buksan natin ito. Alisin natin yung plastic. Kailangan natin closer look. Ito yun, Sea-King Return of the King 1/6 scale Aquaman figure by Art. Ayan. Ganda ng packaging. Premium. Up. Ayan. Buksan natin. Wow. Kita nyo yung likeness kay Jason Momoa. Grabe. So, tama. Yung costume niya is from the Lost Kingdom. Wow. Grabe. So, dito pala, kita nyo na kagad yung quality. Yung detail ng costume. So, gawin natin, alisin natin. And then, tingnan natin kung may mga accessories pa siya. I'm sure meron kasi super premium itong packaging. So, guys, may second layer, inalis natin layer yung figure. And then, may second layer siya. Dito yung base. And alternate hands. And ito yata yung medyo may makikita natin. Siguro sa sa stand niya. Magnetized So, yun. Alisin natin to. Baka meron pa sa ilalim. And assemble na natin si Aquaman in a short while. So, meron pa nga yung sa ilalim, pinaka-bottom na part is yung trident niya. Wow! Grabe. Golden trident. And ayun, meron pa siyang para mga sticker letters, siguro para doon sa base. Pero syempre hindi na natin gagalawin to. Ito na lang yung pag-assemble natin, yun ang focus natin yun. And ano ba to? Ito yata yung sa stand din. So yun, assemble na natin siya. Guys, bago natin assemble, tingnan nyo naman, may real hair. Real hair yung ginamit sa kanya. Hindi sa beard pero dun sa, syempre, sa main sa head niya, yung real hair siya, pwede may forma. And talagang down to the yung eyebrow, tawag dito sa eyebrows ni Jason Momoa, yung pagkaka-cut, yung effect na yun, no? Kuwang-kuwa, no? Yan yun nga, kita nyo yung katawan. Oh, highly detailed. Yan yung material niya, parang rubbery, scaly and rubbery na material. Ang galing. And dito, at ang kaganda dito, di kita yung yung joints na parang sinuot lang na parang may cuts. Dito, seamless. Tsaka tingnan nyo yung base, ha. Pakita ko lang sandali. Ganda ng base. Bigat. Ayan, ha. Wow. So guys, ito na. Assemble na natin at take a look at this. 1/6 scale Jason Momoa Seeking. Grabe guys. Tignan yung itsura. Kumukhang kamukha. And then, ang maganda rito, bukod sa highly detailed yung base, and may logo siya na command dito, symbol, highly detailed yung base, and costume niya, super detailed din. Ang maganda dito, papakita ko sa inyo, pagpalikod niya, yung joint niya, magnetized. Yung sa stand, ang tibay, magnetized. Walang hook, walang clamp. And pwede mo siyang gawing maraming poses na pwedeng gawin. Pwede mo siya i-suspend actually. So yan, and realistic yung hair niya. Pwede mo ipuha na. Of course, kasama yung trident niya. Galing, guys. Ang gandang display niya. Kung collector kayo ng Justice League, yung kay Snyder, Zack Snyder version ng Justice League, and completists kayo, definitely kailangan ito, Aquaman na ito. Ito yung based dun sa Lost Kingdom na movie. Ayan, astig ko. So kung interested kayo, available pa ito sa shop natin. And just PM us and we'll hook you up with a piece. And also available to sa Shopee natin, may discount to. And then may mga vouchers kayo pwedeng gamitin para ma-lessen pa yung price. So you better hurry kasi dalawa na lang yung stock natin ito. Yun. So there you have it. That was our quick unboxing and review of this gorgeous piece. This action figure na Jason Momoa Aquaman Seeking 1/6 scale by Art Toys. It's available in their shops. Cue for a montage.
With you I'm flying high, breaking the clocks. You got me so unwrapped. A sound, then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free, no longer restrained. In your light, I found my name.
And there you go, guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of this gorgeous piece, the Seeking 1/6 scale Aquaman Jason Momoa version. And it's available in our stores. And look at this, highly detailed, 1/6 scale, 12 inches. And sobrang rare pa rin niya. And meron tayong dalawang stock na lang sa store natin. So if you're interested, please do visit our Facebook store, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. And you can also visit our Shopee store, shopee.ph/toyfriendly. And marami tayong discounts doon, pwede ko ma-avail. ito in a much reasonable price. And again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And also, please feel free to comment and give us suggestions on what to unbox next. So see you soon in the next unboxing episode.